Today, our topic is gonna be cell. Cell is a basic thing in everything. It is even called the building blocks of life. So then, let's study more about it. Building blocks of life. What is the building block of house? A house made of bricks put together to make a wall. So the building block of house is bricks. Similarly, the building blocks of a tree house is wood, an Eskimo igloo, snow, and rocks. So, in basic, every living thing is made of cells. The cell is a very tiny and can be seen only under a microscope. A close study of bodies of plants and animals show that they have built up in units called cell. The cells that make up an organism may not all be alike. This is just because a house is built up of bricks, beams, glass panes, tiles, and etc. Now let us look how a cell looks like. This is how onion peel looks like under a microscope. These cells have a very rectangular shape. They are organisms made of only one cell and they are called unicellular. They are very tiny and can be seen only under a microscope. Though the shapes of creatures vary a lot, they have some common features like they have protective layer around the central which entire the cell. All of them can take food from outside and obtain food and energy. Multicellular organisms. A typical plant or animal is made of large number of different cells. They are known as multicellular organisms. But these cells differ from each single-celled creatures in that they are generally not capable of living separately. City dwellers, on the other hand, are incapable of surviving alone, depend on food, clothing, housing, and building houses, and etc. In a multicellular body, there are groups of cells performing different functions. Brain helps in thinking and feeling, muscle helps in movement, and so on. This is just as different groups of persons in the society doing different things like doctors, farmers, lawyers, engineers, and teachers, and etc. Since it was hard for the cells to live alone, they grouped up and formed a group so that it's easy for them to get food and work.